Hey everyone! Here we have our dataset with client name and qualification. There are multiple qualifications here, but for this example, we only care about 12th pass and diploma. Let's find out which clients match these criteria. First, let's start with a function called search. This helps us find specific text in a cell. For example, if I want to check for 12, I type search 12B2, and it will look for it in that cell. If it finds it, it returns a number. If not, it shows an error, a hashtag. But we don't want errors showing up in our results. To fix this, we wrap it in ISNUMBER. This will return true if a number is found, or false if not. Simple and clean. Now we want to include diploma as well. We use the OR function. OR ISNUMBER search 12B2. ISNUMBER search diploma B2. This will return true if any of these three are found in the cell. But true or false isn't very friendly, so we wrap it in if. Equals if or qualified, not qualified. Now, instead of true-false, we get qualified if the client matches the criteria, or not qualified if they don't. Once we have our qualified and not qualified results in the helper column, I like to keep the sheet clean. So first, I'll hide the original qualification column. Just select the column, right-click, and choose Hide. Next, we apply a filter on our helper column. Click the filter dropdown and deselect Not Qualified. Now, the sheet only shows the clients who meet our criteria, clean and easy to read. And that's it. Follow for more quick analytics hacks.